I still have my passage from tadpole to frog. Today we are going to work on answering the questions. So I'm going to start with question number 1. Here are the sentences in the first, how are the sentences in the first paragraph connected? A, they help the reader understand why frogs hop and jump. B, they help the reader understand the importance of frogs' legs. C, they explain how to catch a tadpole and raise a frog. Or D, they explain how the frog goes through cycles. Alright, and I'm going to read it twice because as you heard Miss Wall say last week, that is very important to always read the question twice so you know exactly what is being asked of you. So again, here, how are the sentences in the first paragraph connected? A, they help the reader understand why frogs hop and jump. B, they help the reader understand the importance of frogs' legs. C, they explain how to catch a tadpole and raise a frog. D, they explain how the frog goes through life cycles. Whenever you see a question that asks about one specific paragraph, like this one does, it only wants to know the first paragraph, then you always want to go back to your passage and read the paragraph that it's referring to, because this answer addresses paragraph 1 only. Therefore, your answer is going to be in this little section of the passage. So let's look for how they are connected. We know that they're talking about frogs' legs and how a frog's legs help them move and how they are not born with legs. And we read that their legs help them move from place to place and to escape danger, and that they must go through different stages in their lives before they can jump on land. So basically, paragraph 1, if you wanted to summarize it, is focusing on frogs' legs and how they help a frog in their purpose. So answer choices. A says it helps the reader understand why frogs hop and jump. Well, we read that frogs hop and jump, but it did not explain why they hop and jump. So we are going to eliminate that answer. They help readers understand the importance of frogs' legs. That is a possibility because that is exactly what we said the paragraph did. It focused on the purpose of frogs' legs. C, they explain how to catch a tadpole and raise a frog. No, we're going to eliminate that. This is not talking about keeping a frog as a pet. D, they explain how a frog goes through life cycles. We're going to check that. That's a possibility. It did mention that a frog goes through life cycles, but then come to think about it, it didn't explain the different cycles. So I'm going to go ahead and eliminate that. The answer that makes the most sense is answer B. They help the reader understand the importance of frogs' legs, because it says right here that frogs' legs help them move from place to place and escape possible danger. That is the answer for number 1, B.